Hey, it's Living Portrait Kid again, and this is my last video of the night. So, now I have the Lego City crane. This is a $75 set I got for my birthday in 2009 or 2008. I'm not sure. So, this set has crane right here. It's on a string that you can reel up. This set does fall apart real easily though. It's a little dusty. And so, even though it falls apart really easily, I do like it. It's got a construction worker inside. So there's the thing right there. I put this down. The construction worker guy. The helmet. Nothing on the back. It's got a hard hat. Then has the George Lucas looking guy with the walkie-talkie to tell him where he's going. He also has a hard helmet that you can remove. Nothing on the back. And this is a barricade with like those are stickers right there, and these kind of things. The clear orange. Then this piece comes with the you can put it on the crane. It has a chain. You can remove the chain and pull it apart. It's got like a window. You can pop out like the plastic. And it's just like a basic part of a house kind of thing. Then on the other side, it's got a door that you can open with a stud for like a handle. I like this. I even like this. So, pretty cool. I think my mom spent a good $75 on this. So, the whole crane, it's pretty big. It's like, I'd say 1.5 feet tall. It's got a long crane, like whatever you call it thing. And this does spin off of this. Oh, and it's breaking now. Alright, so this is the back. 7632 is the Lego ID number for it, I guess. You can put the this on here, and since this is a big set, it weighs about half of a pound, so I think it's pretty cool that you can put this on there, like crane. I'm not sure if you can still get this, but I'm pretty sure you can. And then you can pull this back to make the crane go up tall. And this is like a thing to make sure the crane doesn't drop. But you can easily lift that up. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. You could lift this up and drop the crane down all the way. Like to there. So that's the part that falls off easily. The part that goes on this. I don't want to take it apart to show you, but there's like things in here that you can open. There's a chain in here. I don't know how that got in there. There's one on the other side. I don't know what's in there. Nothing. So, I think the chain's supposed to go to one. I think the chain goes to this. Oh yeah, that's right. It does. Well, I'm not sure. I'll look at the construction manual, the building manual after this, which has 2 separate instructions. Wait, does it? No, what? It's got a big it has a big packet, but it doesn't have 2, what do you call it, manuals. It's supposed to go here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have 2 chains. Doesn't really look like it. Come on, look at it after the video. Wait. I have no idea, right? Assembling. Nope, alright, it doesn't. But I don't know where this other chain came from. It's confusing. Pretty weird. So that's the thing. So that's all of the little crane. It's probably still in the stores, like Toys R Us and stuff. So you could probably get it for like $75. I give it like a, let's see, a 3.5 star because mine breaks a lot because I was like 9 when I built it. So yeah, I was 9 because it was my birthday in 2009. So now I'm 11, so I could build that easily now. And so it's my last video of the night, so I'll do more tomorrow.